Mathsters, welcome back to my mini-math virtual class where learning math is fun. Alright, so actually our main topic is about solving equations involving rational equations that are transformable to quadratic equations. However, bago natin yun ma-discuss or bago tayo dumiretso doon, kailangan matuto muna kayo kung paano kumukuha ng LCM. Or, LCM means least common multiple, tama? So, meron tayong paraan kung paano kumukuha ng LCM. The whole numbers, well, actually, it's the least non-zero number na parang multiple ng dalawang numbers na kino-compare. Pero kapag nagdi-deal na tayo sa algebraic expressions, we can do it like this. So, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano kumukuha ng LCM kapag ang given ay mga algebraic expressions na. So, wala na tayong paligoy-ligoy pa. Let's start with example number 1. You have 4xy squared and 3x squared y. So, hahanapin natin yung LCM na itong dalawang monomials na to. So, pag kumukuha ka ng LCM, tapos nagdi-deal ng mga polynomials or algebraic expressions, kailangan ilista mo yung mga factors niya. So, what do I mean by that? Kapag yung sa number, mas maganda na kapag kukunin mo yung factors niya, i-express mo siya as product of its prime factors. So, as for 4, it is simply the product of 2 times 2. Okay? Tapos yung x, edi isang x lang dyan. Since y squared, ibig sabihin dalawang y. Then next, you have 3x squared y. 3 is already a prime number, kaya 3 lang ilalagay natin dito. Then meron siyang dalawang x, kasi x squared to, so times x, and isang y. So, pag kumukuha ka na ng LCM, all you have to do is just to get all the common factors. So, i-determine mo muna kung ano yung mga common na factors dito. Kasi ibig sabihin, isang beses mo lang siya mamaya isusulat. Tapos, parang the LCM of 2 or more na polynomials is simply the product of all the common multiples, the common factors, and yung mga hindi naging common na factors. So, tingnan natin to. Okay? So, i-determine muna natin yung mga common na factors. So, meron tayong isang x dito, tapos isang y. So, ibig sabihin, the LCM of 4xy squared and 3x squared y is simply, ito, 2 times 2, so 2 times 2 times 3. Lahat ng mga hindi napiling common na factors, isusulat mo pa rin siya dito. Tapos yung mga common na factors, ang ibig sabihin lang yan ay, isang beses mo lang siya ilalagay. So, ito, we have x, so times x. Hindi napili yung isang y, so meron ka pang times y dyan. Hindi rin napili yung isang x. Tapos, meron kang parehas dito. So, that is times y. Isang y lang. So, just multiply everything and that will give us the LCM. So, you have 2 times 2 times 3. So, that is 12. May dalawang x ka dito. So, that is x squared. And then, may dalawang y ka din dito, which is y squared. So, therefore, the LCM is simply equal to 12x squared y squared. Ito pa yung tip. Okay? Kapag variables yung kinukuhanan mo ng LCM, okay? So, lagi mong titingnan yung variable with the highest exponent. Yun yung LCM. Kapag variables. Kaya tingnan mo dito, you have x tsaka x squared, but your LCM is x squared. Y squared tsaka y. Ang highest exponent ay 2, kaya ang LCM ay y squared. That's it. That's it for example number 1. Watch out for my next video. Thank you so much.
Hold me close till I get